Hello. In this video, we're going to cover the concept of recycling leads to maximize our return on investment. We all know that acquiring leads costs a lot more these days than it did a few years ago. If you run TV or radio ads, or if you advertise on the net, you're probably paying more for your leads today than you were last year. We're going to see how direct results telemarketing software's recycling of leads helps us generate more revenue from our existing leads. If you have not watched the other videos in the playlist, you may want to watch the one titled Distributing Sales Lead to have an idea of general lead assignment strategies and some of the terms that we use in direct results telemarketing. So what do we mean by recycling sales leads? To answer that question, we need to first talk about lead distribution and dispositions. In an outbound telemarketing call center, new leads are received from various marketing efforts and they're dispersed to marketers. An assigned lead is called an opportunity in direct results telemarketing. You can think of it as giving that marketer an opportunity to connect with the lead and make a sale. This is an important distinction in DRT, and we'll see how it comes into play a little further down. Marketer's job is try to contact the customer by phone. It may take a few tries and callbacks until an actual contact is made with the decision maker who can make the final purchase decision. The marketer then qualifies the customer, and different companies and offers have different qualification criteria. It could be making sure the customer has good credit or has a need for the product and services being offered. Then the marketer will begin to present the offer, sometimes referred to as the pitch, which may include reading a script. The marketer will answer any questions and remove any obstacles in the purchase decision and hopefully close the sale or not. At the end of the call, the marketer enters a disposition code into the system that lets the system know how the call ended and what the next step should be. Here are some common disposition codes. If the marketer made a sale, she'll pick one of the two disposition codes here in our example, regular sale or finance sale. If she made a contact, presented the offer, but did not make a sale, she would pick from one of the no sale disposition reasons, either no money or just not interested. Here are some other disposition codes and reasons for when the sale is still in process. And more codes for do not call, which the system handles according to the telemarketing sales rules. And finally, disposition codes for reaching wrong numbers. These are all pretty standard disposition codes in an outbound telemarketing call center environment. Now in most CRM and telemarketing systems, dispositions other than in progress are considered final and they mark the end of a lead's life cycle. But let's take another look at disposition codes and see if there are any that are worth recycling. Here are all of our disposition codes. We'll take away in progress disposition because they're still in the system and will be called by the same marketer. We'll also take away sale disposition since we don't want to bother people who already bought from us. And we'll take away do not call because that's the law, of course. Now we're left with leads that were marked as no sale or as wrong number. Again, in most CRM and telemarketing systems, these leads disappear from the system forever after marketer clicks the disposition. But in direct results telemarketing, we don't get rid of these leads just yet. There's still much potential left in these leads. For example, we could have a clerk go through the wrong numbers and find the correct numbers and enter those numbers into the leads and put them back into circulation. Or you can use an online service that matches the phone numbers in a batch. If you paid $20 or more for a lead and found out that the phone number was wrong, you'd probably want to do that rather than throw away the lead. And let's look at no sale. Our marketer disposed the lead as not interested. Now let's say you look at the performance of this marketer and find out that his dollars per lead is a lot less than his peers. For every 10 sales that other marketers make, he makes 1. Chances are he's either inexperienced or he didn't explain the offer clearly to the customers. Whatever the reason may be, we get a sense that he's been wasting leads and marking them as no sale. Our direct results telemarketing clients came to us and asked us to give them a way to recycle these kind of leads, or as we call it, reassign these leads. And we did. As a matter of fact, DRT's core structure is different than most CRM and telemarketing packages, in that a lead is turned into an opportunity for the marketer. And if that opportunity is not successful, business owners have the option of creating a new opportunity from that lead and assigning that opportunity to another marketer. Of course, there are safeguards in the system to make sure this feature is not abused. You can specify the maximum number of assignments that are allowed. Most call centers set this number to 2. So after 1 reassignment or 2 opportunities per lead, the lead is expired. Now let's take a look at how that would work in our use case study. In our example, we will take all the opportunities that are marked as no money in California for the last week and reassign them to our Arizona call center. This means that those leads are no longer available to our California marketers. They disappear from their system. They will then appear as new leads in our Arizona call center, where the call center manager will assign them to her teams. Our Arizona marketers will call these customers and offer them the finance option, or maybe a lower price point. Here's a screenshot of the Reassigned Opportunities program in the system. It's a simple 3-step process to reassign leads. In step 1, you select opportunities from California, so we're selecting California call center. In step 2, you select the dispositions that you want to include in this reassignment. In our example, we only select no money. And in step 3, you select the call center that will be receiving these leads, which in our example is Arizona. We can then click Calculate Results to see how many leads match our selection criteria before we reassign them. So our Arizona marketers have a second chance to make a sale. After that second try, the system will automatically expire the lead. Remember, in our case study, we set the maximum number of reassignments to 1. So after reassigning the leads 1 time, the system will expire the opportunity. That means the lead cannot be used for this campaign again. But expired leads are still available in the system to be used in other campaigns. Of course, leads that were marked as do not call will not be recycled, even for new campaigns. But this does give marketers the ability to use their leads for new campaigns. Direct Results Telemarketing helps you maximize your return on investment by allowing smart reassignment of leads. Where most systems give up on leads after 1 try, DRT allows you to approach the customer again with a different offer or just a different marketer. Our clients generate a lot of revenue by reassigning leads. Reassigned leads also help keep marketers dialing when you don't have enough fresh leads. But we don't want to overdo reassignments of leads, and DRT allows you to set a cap on the number of reassignments so you keep your customers happy. Additionally, DRT allows you to recycle your expired leads to use them on new campaigns or for new clients. Of course, it will not recycle leads that were marked as do not call. When measuring performance, whether in formal reports or status screens, DRT segments fresh leads versus reassigned leads, meaning you will see 2 different sets of numbers. For instance, when you're looking at average sales amounts per marketer, you will see average sale for fresh leads, and you will see a different column showing average sale amounts for reassigned leads. So you'll be able to see how reassigned leads are contributing to your bottom line. This concludes this video. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're notified when new videos are posted. For more information, please visit our website at www.directresultstelemarketing.com. Thank you.